Hello everyone, welcome to my other video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube intro. So first you need to go to Google and search for logo maker, and if you have already logo for your channel, just skip this part and make sure that you have entered into the right website and click on next on these tips, and you can search using your keyword like entertainment or games or anything you need to search on here, and you can find various type of logo out there, and I'm choosing a logo, and you can color it from here, and you may add text just below your logo or beside your logo. So I'm just below my logo I'm adding it just text that is my channel name, and you can write anything here. So here it is my channel. So after that click on the save icon and click on the no thanks download low resolution file, and I am assuming that you are a beginner YouTuber and just trying to make your simple intro. So now you need to download a mp3 file, and you can see that is the png file of my logo is downloaded. So now you have to download mp3 file. Go to Google again and search here YouTube free music download, and you press enter and open the first link. So and log in into your Google account using your email ID and password, and here wait for some time, and you can see there are plenty of music series are there, and you may select any of them and you can find a download button there. So choose any of the mp3 file and click on the download button, and it will be downloaded into your directory. So you can see these two files are there, and you need to keep these two files into your Android phone. So now back to my phone. Here it is my phone, and you need to download two applications, and those are I'm showing you. First open Google Play and download the animated text animation maker, this app, and again you need to download another app that is Blogit, and it is a very good app for the YouTubers, special vloggers. So first open the animation text app. So after opening, I'll provide the link of this app inside my description section. So you need to write your channel slogan or branding here, or you may write your channel name also here. Okay, so into wait for some time until it loads, and you can see that you can choose any of the designs, that is preloaded designs are there. So I'm choosing it, and you have to choose the landscape mode obviously, and 1080p for better pixel, and choose any of your style, and that is provided here, and various colors are also available. And now just save that video as a video. Now wait for some time. So now it is saved. Now open Blogit, click on the explore as a guest, and click on the from library and choose the video that you've just saved from the animation maker, and also choose the logo that you have created just from the logo maker website. So click on the from library again and click on the photo tab, go to the photo tab and choose the photo that you have, that is new channel, my channel logo I guess. So here it is. So now you just need to enter or include the music playlist that you have downloaded from the YouTube. So click on the music button and you may record your own voice here, and I'm speaking this part, and just choose a music here, go to the in device tab and click on the start scan and redirect into your directory where you have saved your mp3 file from the downloaded file. So here it is. Now just go again into the in device tab and you can see your mp3 file is there. Now you can see the red line is for the mp3 file and you can manage it here depending on your choice. So after that just play that, or you can set the transition over there between the logo and your channel slogans, and you can choose any of them. And so if you run this video, it will look like this. I think it's too much cool. So for saving your video, click on the save button and you can see it is exporting your video, and finally click on the save to camera roll and it will be saved to your